Let's go ahead and break this down. All right, so when market starts to consolidate, consolidation is really just a built up pool of money, right? So when market starts to move sideways instead of upward or downward, when it literally starts to move sideways, this is going to be your consolidation, right? Now the big banks, they're going to want to go ahead and sweep this area. They're going to want to sweep this area. So what they're going to want to do is clear this liquidity, right? Giving us a break of structure to the upside. All right, let's be clean with this. BOS, break of structure to the upside. And then the big banks again are going to go ahead and change character. Now, a change of character is letting us know market wants to start shifting downward now. If market was going upward, if market was going up and we get a change of character to the downside, market definitely wants to start going down a little bit. Let's go ahead, left. Line is blue. Let's just make that cool. So once we get this, right, we'll go ahead and find a point of interest over here on this side. We're not at that stage yet. I really want to break this down a little bit, right? But once we go ahead and pull back, market's going to give us a zone we need to break below, right? And if we don't break below that, we might not head down for a little bit, right? We need to make sure we can break below this. So once we get this break of structure now, this is now considered my BOS, right? So if market continues in this downtrend, let's go ahead. We get a pullback, and we need to break this zone here. So boom, we go ahead and break that, and now market's giving us another break of structure to the downside. Let's go ahead and actually put these on the bottom. Cool. Right, so now we're continuing our downward momentum, right? So if we're continuing our downward momentum, anytime market gives us a zone we have to break, right? Market just gave us a zone. If we continue down, it's going to automatically be a break of structure because we're continuing the trend. Oops. Boom. Just continued trend. Right, so on and so forth. We get one more, cool. We continue to break the structure to the downside. Now, notice how we were shifting down, right? Notice how we were shifting down, right? Some people may draw a trend line here, and that's okay if you do. That's identifying that market is in downtrend, right? That's okay. Now, do we trade off of those specifically? No, we don't, right? We do not. But by doing this, this can help people. Okay, this isn't a downtrend. All right, I could see that it's downtrending right now. Cool. Now, notice how all of these pullbacks, they never go above these highs. This one doesn't go above this one. This one doesn't go above this one, right? Now, once market goes and shifts up, oops, that was pretty ugly. Now, once market shifts above this zone, boom, we now changed character because we changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. Give me a 5 if that's making sense. So boom, let's go ahead. We changed character. Now we're looking at, okay, market might want to go up now. Right, market may want to go up now. So let's just go ahead and grab our handy dandy entry zone, right? We're not there yet. I'll talk about that a little later. Right, but again, once market pulls back, giving us a nice entry, we need to break above this zone here. So boom, we broke above. So now that we're changing character from the downtrend to an uptrend, I know this is going to be a little confusing, but now it's going to continue with its BOS. Right? Nothing really changes. I know this could be confusing, but once market is downtrending, everything that continues to break structure, everything that would now, everything that would continue to break these zones would now be a break of structure. Cool. So now that we broke above this zone, meaning market wants to change from a downtrend to an uptrend, it's now considered a change of character because now market wants to start trending up, right? So boom, we just broke this zone. This would now be considered a break of structure. Market pulls back, giving us a zone we have to break. Boom, we just broke above. Continuing trend. This is now considered a break of structure. Market pulls back, giving us a zone we have to break above. Continuing trend. This would now be considered a break of structure, right? And we'll just go ahead and draw this for a little bit so we can just get the understanding of this. Can I not go anymore? Oh, that's whack. How about this? Cool. All right, cool. So we're just gonna do the same exact thing, right? Market was uptrending right now. Market was uptrending. So let's just say market consolidates, building up that money, right? We break structure to the upside one more time. We get this BOS. Now again, once market breaks below this line or below this zone here, boom, we now have a change of character to the downside. And now we do the same exact thing, and it's all about repetition. So let's just keep going. We pull back, and now we need to break this zone to continue trend, right? So once we break this zone, we now have a BOS. So let's just go ahead and grab one over here. Boom. Market pulls back, giving us a zone we have to break below to continue trend. Boom. We just did that. Oops. Let's go ahead and do that again. We pull back, gives us a zone we just broke through. We get a BOS. We're now continuing trend to the downside now. Market pulls back, giving us a zone we have to break through to continue trend. Boom. We now have a break of structure continuing to the downside, right? So now let's just say we break above this zone. What do we have? If we break above this zone, what do we have, guys? Is it a break of structure now, or is it a change of character? Let me know. Talk to me.
The change of character.
Change of character. Ooh,
Yes.
pinch poke, you owe me a Coke.
Let's go. Let's go. Top. Let's get it. Yes. So now once we get that change of character, we're looking for market to start heading back up. So again, market's going to pull back, giving us a zone we have to go ahead and break through to continue with this uptrend. Boom. We get that. Break of structure. Awesome. Market pulls back, giving us another zone we have to break through to continue trend. Boom. We get that. Awesome. Let's say market breaks below this zone here. What do we have? Is it a break of structure or a change of character?
Change of character.
Yes. Let's get it. Oh my goodness. Bottom. Boom. Right, so is this making sense for you guys? Right, we have market downtrending right now, continuing the break of structure to the downside. Once market breaks above this high, a break and close, we now have a change of character, right? So now once market continues trend to the upside, we just continue with break of structure, right? We continue to the upside, we get a break of structure. We continue to the upside, we get a break of structure. Market starts to consolidate, right? We're moving sideways, so instead of uptrending, okay, let's see if I can do that. Let's see, let me get the candles out the way. Let's make this big. How can I make this thing big real quick? I got it. Oh, okay, there we go. Let's see. All right, cool. That should be cool, right? Let's go ahead. That should be cool. Let's go ahead. Actually, let's put this up here as well, just in case. Oh, yeah, we get that zone. Let's go, baby. All right, cool. That's it right there, guys. Again, market's consolidating. Notice how it's not moving down or moving up. It's literally moving sideways, right? We'll talk about this a little later, but the big banks come in. They take that money, right, that buildup of money, and then we start shifting down. Once we start getting that momentum and market continues to break structure to the downside, this would be considered our downtrend, right? Once market starts to break up again and market and the big banks come take this money and then buy up, changing character, once we start continuing the trend, this would be considered our uptrend. And then the same thing happens over and over again. So we break down, we change character, we continue with our breakup structures to the downside. This would be considered our downtrend. Once we change character to the upside and we continue with breaker structures, we get another uptrend. Right, so I hope that makes sense for you guys. Krista, was this a solid breakdown? And let's see, for the person who asked the question mark, let me see, who was that?
Solid. This is solid. I feel like now I can do this with my eyes closed.
Nice. I can't pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. Is it Ahmed? Is this making sense now, bro? Nice. Cool. Cool. All right, so go ahead and take a screenshot of that real quick. Actually, let me go ahead and adjust real quick because I missed one. I want you guys to get the good ones. Let's go ahead. I want it to look saucy. There we go. All right, take a screenshot of this one. Let's go.